Korga kore jaurubno mabondo moluor Gideon Ochanda to dwaro mar mondo mi koro neni chenro nendo mar Keyo Teko Stima en gino endo ma otimo yo nendo makare mar mondo mi koro geng'a onge kaachiel bende koda lal mar teko sitima e gwenge mopogore opogore ka oyango ni dag keyo mach kata transformers bende koro ber ka ikete gwenge komoyangore mar mondo mi chenro nendo mar Keyo Teko Sitima obed mayokare kendo mayot.
On specific sites for specific purposes. Either it was a school or a beach or a water project. So you get that the transformer goes to the project. Like now, if we have a transformer in Ugambe Beach, it can only serve 600 meters radius backwards. But this other side, the southern and the western side, is water. So that transformer is not helping on the other side. We need to revisit the location of the transformers. As we are looking for more resources, can we recheck where the transformers are located? Because they are not serving in some of the places where they are. That's number one. It can save the ministry quite a bit of resources. The other one is the whole issue of when we are doing this, we just need to be very clear that all the transformers need to be maximized. We don't need to be requested that MPs assimilate transformers to be maximized. No. Let's get to know where transformers are and we maximize all of them. Waziri, a request, a special request. When we were bringing in this Ugambe as one of the sites, the idea was Ugambe, they across Ugambe. There's a Ugambe across here. So I want to do a very special request that the Ugambe Valley, the Sakwa side, please, ukitoka hapa, try as much as you can such that we get a transformer for Ugambe, the Sakwa side, Maranda side.